Hello everyone. In the last video, we have started discussion about the dictionary. Already two videos prior to this video is there. So today, what I'm going to discuss about how to read, how to read the contents from a dictionary. This is my today topic. How to read the read the contents from a dictionary. Right, from a dictionary. This is topic today I will discuss. Sir, in the last video, I have told about, I discussed about the zip function, right? Zip function. So zip function, for what purpose we are using? For combining the arguments, number of arguments, here one arguments, here one arguments, here one arguments, number of arguments. We are using the zip function, but one problem is here. What is the problem? The zip function will not display the values. Suppose 1 2 3 is there, 10 20 30 is there, one argument I have given here, one argument given, so it will convert into 1 with 10, combine 2 with 20 and 3 with 30, but this value will be not print because zip function never return values, rather it is written what? The address location number, address location where this values has been stored in the computer system. So how to make it visible, how to make it display? To make it display what is the value stored converted by the zip function, then I will take the help of the constructor, either list constructor or dict constructor or tuple constructor I will use, and this zip I will give as argument to list or argument to dictionary or as argument to tuple, then it will be visible on the screen. By only zip function, the values cannot be visible. Observe here, I will show you that one also. The last video I forgot to show you actually. Now suppose what is the L1 value, sir? L1 value is 1 2 3. Already I have taken 1 2 3, and L2 value was 10 20 30. Suppose I will write here print zip of L1 comma L2. It will not print the value 110 220 330. It will not print, rather it will display the address location number where it has been stored in this address, right? The zip function stored that combination or combining of those two lists in the tuple format in this address. So how can you make it visible, how can you make it display? I have to take the help of dictionary function, right? Dictionary or dict constructor or list constructor or tuple constructor, any type. So what can I write? Print, I can write here print list of or dict of anything, list of or dict of or tuple of zip of L1 comma L2 bracket close, right? One more bracket, I think 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now see it's printed or not? All the values is printed, right? So in this way we can uh, print the value by using the zip function. So today what is my topic is how to access the values, right? How to access the contents. Sir, there are several methods. Several ways are there how to access the contents. First one is using key. Using key. Okay. Here index concept will be not work. Just like list and tuple, how the elements of list and tuple are being accessed by using the index or slicing concept. But here those concepts will not work because those were sequential type, this is mapping type, this dictionary is mapping type, so index will be not work. Key, by using key we can make it display the contents. Number two is what? Number two is using loop, for loop or while loop, whatever it may be, using looping concept also. Third one is using get function, get method, get function or get method, right? And fourth one is using dictionary view object, dictionary view object. By this four method, we can display the contents, or we can access the contents of a dictionary. We can read the contents of the dictionary. Again, this view object, dictionary view object, is of three types. Okay, na? Key view object, key view object, and values view keys. Keys, all keys will be displayed. Values view object, and fourth one is items, items view object. Okay, so these are the several technique we are going to use. Using key means, using key means, first one I will discuss. Using key means, suppose I have the dictionary. Suppose the dictionary is dictionary name is suppose D1. Okay, inside the dictionary I have written suppose some information about in the 2010. Okay, 2010, what is the sales amount? 45,000, suppose 45,000. In 2011, what is the sales amount? Not comma, amount, suppose 55,000, right? Like this, suppose in 2012, what the sales amount? Suppose 25,000. Okay, now three elements available in the key and value pair 2010, right? Okay, this is one pair, this is one pair, and this is one pair. Now, how to access the elements? By using key. If I write here D1 of 2010, what will be print? It will be print display 45,000. Similarly, D1 of 2011, okay, inside the square bracket only, not the parenthesis. Okay, 2011, it will give 55,000. Okay, 55,000. In the same way for the 2012, it will give 25,000. Now, what is the syntax? Syntax is dictionary name, square bracket, key value, key. It will print the corresponding values. Okay, this is the syntax. By using key, we can access the elements, we can access the contents from a dictionary, right? Okay, let me show you in the ideally. Suppose D1 equal to, I'm taking here 2010, how much sales are? 45,000. 2012, how much sales are? 56,000, suppose. And 2013, 13 or 14 you take, no problem. Suppose the sales is 47,000, like this. Some randomly I have taken the values. Now, what is my D value? See, this is my dictionary, all elements printed. But right, I want individual, my based on my requirement. Then what I suppose I want to see in the 2010 how much sale is there. Then you pass dictionary name with key. Now see what printed, 45,000, not okay, 4,500. I have written mistake. Okay, no problem. 4,500. D of suppose 2014. Okay, now 14. Now see what printed, 47,000 is printed. Okay, sir, suppose I will give D of 2016, but that is not available. The 2016 key is not available in the dictionary D. Then immediately key error will come. Key error. Okay, key error, it is not available. When the key is not available, the key error will be formatted. Return the key error, right? I hope you understood how these dictionary contents can be printed or accessed by using the key. Second one is what, sir? Second one is by using for loop. Okay, using for loop. Using for loop. Okay, using for loop. So using for loop, I hope you know the for loop syntax. Okay, now for loop syntax is for variable, okay, in iterable and here colon symbol. This is the syntax for the for loop for variable in iterable. Example, suppose I will write here for x in L1, and L1 value suppose 10 comma 20 comma 30 list L1 list. What will happen? Every time is 10 one variable from the L1, first value is 10, 10 will be assigned to x, and here I am writing print x. So first 10 will be assigned from the L1, first value is 10 will be assigned to x, then x will be printed. Then automatically 20 will be printed. Then next 30 will be printed. After that nothing is there. So this will become mine. This is the working style of the for. So about the for loop in the list chapter also we have discussed, and in the coming days also separately I will discuss some program on this for loop, right? So that you will get the more clarity on that, right? So by using the for loop also we can display the contents of the dictionary. Suppose I have a dictionary D, I have a 1 minute dictionary D1 suppose, and this dictionary contains some match cricket match result. Suppose Rohit is there. Okay, Rohit is a string type na? So Rohit I have written inside this single quote or double quote you can. Suppose he has made 50 runs. Okay. Next, Sachin is there. Sachin is there. Sachin suppose it is make 78 runs, and Sehwag is there. Sehwag is there, and he make also 99 runs like this. Okay, three elements. One, two, three elements. Okay. Sir, how can I print by using for loop? I will write here for, okay, variable name. Suppose x, anything. This x I am writing. You can write anything. For x in what is my dictionary name? Dictionary name is D1. Okay, dictionary name is D1, and print x just before I show. But what result I will get? By doing this, it will give only keys value. Keys value. Key. It will be result. The result will come only the key. Value will be not come. Okay, now value will be not come. Value means 50, 78, 99 will not come. Only key. Output will come Rohit, Sachin, and Sehwag will comes. Right? So, but I want all this total clear clarity result. Then what I have to do? I have to write here print x, okay, comma d of x, d1 of x. Dictionary name is d1 of x. Okay, sir, how it will work? Observe carefully. Very interesting. Sir, what is my d1? D1 is this one. D1 is this one. Okay, from the d1, first Rohit will be assigned to x. Okay, Rohit will be assigned to x, and print x Rohit will be printed. Print x Rohit will be printed. Okay, I will this line I will not consider. I will consider this line. Print x Rohit will be displayed. Now, comma d1 of x. D1 of x, just like key. I am passing a key. Dictionary name of key, right? So x is the key. What is the x value? Rohit. That means d1 of Rohit, which value? 50. So 50 will be print. Next, once again for loop will be repeat, and Sachin will be assigned to x. Okay, Sachin. Now print x. Sachin will be printed. Then comma d1 of x. X value is Sachin. d1 of Sachin, which value? 78. 78 will be printed. Next is again for loop will be repeat. Sehwag will be assigned to x. Then print x. Sehwag will be print here. Okay. Next d1 of x. D1 of x means in the dictionary key x. X value right now Sehwag. What is the value corresponding to Sehwag? 99 will be printed. Like this I am going to do. But if I write here print x only, values from the dictionary will be not print, only key will be print. But I want to print key as well as value, then I have to write like this: key and dictionary name inside the bracket. Okay, so this is the using the for loop. This is using the for loop, right? Okay, suppose I will write the small program here. I will show you. So observe carefully. Suppose I have taken the dictionary d1 equal to inside the bracket. Okay, first one was Rohit. He has made run suppose 55, then comma SSCH Sachin, and he has made the run 78, and next one is Sehwag. He has run suppose 98. Okay, these are the three values. So what is the d1 value? The d1 value is this one, but I want to print all these value by using for loop. Right here, for x in d1. Okay, colon compulsory, x in d1. Here write print x. If I write like this, print x, na, only key will be print. Observe, only print spelling mistake. Okay, 1 minute. Control C, Control V here. Print. See what printed? Only the key value Rohit Sachin Sehwag will be printed. But I want all these values should be all details in the dictionary. What is contents available? It should be printed. And what I will do, I will write here print x comma. What is my dictionary name? d1 of x. Okay. This d1 of x is nothing but accessing the element by using key. d1 is my dictionary name, and every time first Rohit is the key will be assigned to x, then Sachin is the key assigned to x, then Sehwag is the key assigned to x. Based on that, value will be printed. Observe here what output I'll get. Rohit is 55, Sachin is 78, and Sehwag is 98. Okay. Sir, after getting this, I suppose I want to find the total score. Okay, total score I want to find. Total score I want to find. Then how can I write? Simple, Control V, suppose same. Okay, let me Control N. I'll write the program here. Suppose I have the dictionary d1 equal to what is the dictionary was Rohit semicolon symbol, suppose 55 run comma Sachin double comma given. Okay. Sachin colon symbol, suppose 78 run, and Sehwag and colon symbol, suppose 99 run is there. Okay, now d1, this is my d1, and I'm writing here for x in d1. Okay, now print what? X comma d1 of x. Okay, x comma d1 of x, it will be print. And with that, I am also taking here one more variable. Suppose I want to total run for the team, then I am taking here total equal to 0. Total equal to 0. Then here I am writing total equal to total plus d1 of x. Okay, total plus d1 of x. Okay, total plus d1 of x. Then I'm writing print total score comma is how much? Total score is total, because total is my variable name. That's right. Let me save this one. Control S. I will save. Suppose I am saving in the desktop. Program is pro1. Right now, see, I'll execute F5. Any error? See, Rohit is 55, Sachin is 78, Sehwag is 99, and total score become 230. Sir, how it is working? Very simple. Observe here how it is working. I will tell here. how it is working means, sir, how it is working, sir? Sir, this is my dictionary, okay, right? Total, I have declared first 0. So total container will be created in the computer memory. Value is 0 first, okay. And this is my dictionary D1 value is there. Sir, X in D1, first Rohit will be assigned to X. Okay, Rohit will be assigned to X. So X variable will be created inside the X. Rohit is there. Rohit. Print X. Rohit will be printed. And D1 of X. D1 of X, which value? 55 will be printed. 55 will be printed. Next, after this line, total equal to total. What is the total value, sir? Total value is 0. Total equal to total plus d1 of x, right? This is the formula. This is the, I have written this statement. Total value is 0 plus d1 of x. d1 of x is Rohit. d1 of Rohit is how much? 55 plus 55. Total answer is 55. 55 again store in total. 0 will be replaced with 55. Next, for loop will repeat. For loop will be once again repeat. Again, x value Sachin become x. So Rohit will be delete. Sachin will be stored here. Next, print x. Sachin will be print. And d1 of x. d1 of x is nothing but how much? d1 of x Sachin is how much? 78 will be printed. Next is again total equal to total plus. What is the total value right now? 55. So 55 is the total value plus d1 of Sachin. d1 of Sachin how much value? 78. 78. How much it is? It is 13, 7, 5, 12, 13, 133. Right? 133 will be stored in where? Again in total. So total become 133. Again for loop will be repeat. For loop will be repeat. Again Sehwag will be assigned to d1. Sehwag. The Sehwag will be assigned to x. Then print x. Sehwag will print. And d1 of x. d1 of x is d1 of Sehwag is how much? 99 will be print. Then total plus. What is the total value? 133 plus d1 of Sehwag is how much? 99. 99. So it will become 9312, 9312, okay, 232. 232 store in where? Again in total. So total will become 232. Now for loop will be terminate because all the values has been read here. Then 1 minute. Where the marker? All the values has been read. So for loop will be terminate here. And last, what is the statement? Print statement. Print what is the total score? Total score container is 232 will be printed. Like this, it is working. So I have shown this one also here. This is the output, right? So by using the for loop, we are getting this one, right? So what is the next one, sir? Next one is 1 minute. Let me. Erase all is option not there. Very difficult. Okay, no? Okay. Next is next type I will discuss, and last in next video I will discuss the another one. Observe here. What I will do. Okay. Here, sir, for loop, using for loop is over. Next one is using get function. Using get function, right? Suppose what I will do, I have a dictionary D equal to 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30. Okay, 2 is to 10, 2 is 30. Then how to access the element by using get? Simple, I have to write dictionary name D, get function. Inside this, I have to pass key value, suppose 2. Then it will give answer 20. Okay, it will give answer 20. Suppose I will give here d dot get key is 4, but key unfortunately it is not available, this 4 in this dictionary. It is not available, not available, not available. So in that case, is it going to throw error? Is it going to throw error? No, it will not throw any error. It will not never return any key error. If key is not exist, it return a default value. That default value is none. Okay? If I'll d dot get 4, I will write what output I'll get. None output I'll get. It never return error if the key is not found. Okay. We can change also this default value to our expected value. How can I like this? Suppose d dot get 4 comma, suppose I want empty in place of none, I want empty, then you have to write empty here. Okay, empty here, then it will be print empty because 4 key is not available. It will print empty. I will show you here. Suppose d1 equal to 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30. Okay, three elements I wrote. What is the d value? This one is correct. 1 is to 10, 2 is to 10, d1, so not d1, right? Not d1 equal to 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30. So d1 dot get, sir, 1 key name is 1. Observe, 10 will be printed. Okay, na? Or print also you can use print d1 dot get. What is the key value? Suppose I am giving 2. Okay, now see what printed, 20 printed. Like this for 330 will be printed. But suppose I will give d1 dot get 5. 5 is available or not available in the dictionary d1? It is not available. See, it is not printed. Print, I'll write print d1 dot get 5. Okay. 5. See what printed? Non printed. By default, it will return non values if the key does not exist. If the key does not exist. Okay, na? Sir, I can change this non value to my expected values. How can I? Suppose print d1 dot get inside the bracket 5 key, but 5 is not available. empty or anything you can write. Now bracket close, 1 2 1 2. Now see empty printed or not? Yes, empty printed. Like this I can design. So this is the syntax for get functions. And one more important technique is there to access the element, that is dictionary view object. Again, in that dictionary view object, 3 things is there. One is dictionary keys, values, and items. So today I will not discuss this ones. I will stop here. In the next video I will discuss about this 3 topic. Very important. Okay, so till then you take care and bye.